Well, well, well. Here we are, way back in the woods. Well, you want to know what's more precious than gold or silver or any type of metal? Right here. These trees. You can go anywhere in the universe, get gold, silver, diamonds, any type of mineral on any planet. Guaranteed, you won't find any of these guys. These are more precious than gold, silver, or any type of metal. Because there's not too many planets that have it. None that I know of. Yeah. There you go. Well, Alan, darling.